Hey, so if Brave browser is failing to download PDFs or files are opening blank or not saving properly, yeah, that can be pretty frustrating. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Brave PDF download issues step by step. Alright, first, open Brave settings and go to the download section. Make sure your download location is valid. If the folder is missing or restricted, PDFs won't save properly. Now go to Site Settings and check PDF Documents. Set it to download PDFs instead of opening them automatically. Some extensions, like ad blockers or file tools, can interfere with downloads. Disable them for testing. Next, clear your cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can break PDF downloads. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Weak or interrupted connections can cause incomplete PDF downloads. Now check for updates. Older versions of Brave can sometimes fail with PDF handling. If the issue still happens, try downloading the PDF in a private window to rule out extensions or settings issues. If nothing works, reinstall Brave completely to reset any broken system files. And yeah, that's it. Once these fixes are applied, PDF downloads in Brave should work smoothly again.